Just a few months ago, I was completely drowning. I was terrified my job was about to be made obsolete by AI, and the anxiety was just overwhelming. I was pulling 60-hour weeks, buried under a mountain of manual, repetitive tasks that felt both endless and meaningless. Then I discovered a way to leverage AI without any coding, and it changed everything. This is the story of how I went from burnout to automating huge chunks of my workload in just 1 week, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Section 1. The turning point. My 7-day journey. My story probably sounds familiar. My days were a blur of summarizing meeting notes, drafting routine emails, pulling research, and manually updating spreadsheets. I was constantly busy but felt like I was running in place. Meanwhile, the headlines were all about AI getting smarter and faster, ready to take over jobs just like mine. The fear wasn't just about being replaced, it was about being left behind. That's when I stumbled upon no-code automation. The concept was simple. What if, instead of fighting AI, I could make it work for me? What if I could become the person who tells the AI what to do? It was a total mindset shift. I realized these tools are like having an assistant who's ready to work whenever you are. The no-code part was the game changer. It meant I could use visual, drag-and-drop interfaces to build powerful automations. It's like building with Lego blocks instead of needing to manufacture the plastic yourself. So, I gave myself a 1-week challenge, 7 days to go from an overwhelmed amateur to an AI power user. It wasn't a magic bullet, but it worked. Here's the exact plan I followed. Day 1. The mindset shift and identifying your targets before you touch any tool. The first day is about changing how you see your work. Don't ask, what can AI do? Ask, what am I doing that a machine should do? For 1 day, keep a log of all your tasks. Seriously, write it all down. At the end of the day, highlight every task that is repetitive, high volume, or just plain soul-crushing. Day 2. Learning to talk to AI. Foundational prompting. Today, you learn how to give great instructions. This is the single most important skill. People call it prompt engineering, but it's just a fancy term for being clear. A bad prompt is like mumbling a request. A good prompt is like handing over a detailed, step-by-step brief. Day 3. Your first automation. Connecting the dots. Now, we make the magic happen. Day 3 is about linking AI to your other apps using a no-code automation platform like Zapier or Make. These tools let you build workflows visually, connecting the software you already use. Day 4. Building your personal AI assistant. You've automated a single task. Now let's think bigger and build a multi-step workflow. Instead of just summarizing a report, what if you could process an entire meeting? Trigger. You upload a meeting transcript to a cloud folder. AI Action 1. Summarize the entire transcript. AI Action 2. Extract all action items and who they're assigned to. AI Action 3. List the key decisions made. Output Action. Create a new document with the summary, decisions, and action items, and then automatically email it to all attendees. This moves beyond automating simple tasks and into orchestrating a whole business process. 5. Advanced techniques. Thinking in layers. Today is about leveling up your prompts. 2 techniques will get you dramatically better results: chain of thought and few-shot prompting. Day 6. Creating your system templates and reusability. A power user doesn't just build one-offs, they build a system. Today is about turning your successful workflows into reusable templates. That email summarizer from day 3. Generalize it so you can deploy it for any project. The goal is to stop reinventing the wheel. You're building a personal library of automations you can activate in minutes. This is how you really scale your impact, by eliminating entire categories of work permanently. Day 7. Becoming the power user. Your first agentic workflow. On the final day, we put it all together to create an agentic workflow. Think of it not as a single, fully autonomous robot, but as a team of specialized digital workers you manage, who hand off tasks to each other. These systems still need your oversight, but they do the heavy lifting. And that's it. 7 days. From drowning in manual work to orchestrating a team of digital assistants. This isn't science fiction. This is what's possible right now in 2026 without writing code. You don't need a huge budget or a team of engineers. You just need a system and the will to start. The world is changing, but that change can empower you. The conversation is shifting. It's less about AI replacing people and more about people who leverage AI